Poor sleep, belly bloat, sugar cravings. They sneak up while you sleep, but a single spoonful of soaked chia seeds before bed can flip the script and reset your body overnight. A 2024 review in Nutrients suggests chia omega-3s may enhance overnight fat oxidation and support deeper, restful sleep. Harvard research suggests its fiber can steady blood sugar overnight and calm gut inflammation while you rest. If you wake up groggy, gassy, or raiding the fridge by 10 a.m., your nighttime routine is missing this one tiny seed. Try it for just 7 nights and feel lighter, clearer, and more energized than you have in years. In the next few seconds, you'll see 12 surprising benefits of chia seeds before bed, from faster fat loss and deeper sleep to hormone balance, bone strength, and anti-aging repair. Plus the exact soak and sip method that makes them 2 times gentler on sensitive stomachs. Let's dive into benefit number 1. How chia's gel locks hydration into your cells so your body burns more fat while controlling late-night cravings. 12 health benefits of eating chia seeds at night. Number 1. Supports weight loss overnight. Chia seeds are packed with fiber that absorbs water and forms a gel-like texture in your stomach. This helps you feel full for longer, reducing late-night cravings and preventing those trips to the fridge. Since you're not snacking, your body has the chance to burn the fat it already has, helping you lose weight naturally while you sleep. The slow digestion also keeps your blood sugar levels steady, reducing energy crashes and mood swings.
Chia seeds can help you maintain a healthy weight because fiber curbs hunger and makes you feel full. Chia seeds may also help in the maintenance of your glucose control all day long if you had it for breakfast. Eating chia seeds promotes weight loss and helps maintain your glycemic control.
But it doesn't stop there. Chia seeds are high in tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce melatonin and serotonin. These hormones are key for helping you relax, fall asleep faster, and stay asleep longer. And that leads us straight into the next benefit, which is all about better sleep and natural energy. Number 2. Promotes better sleep quality. Chia seeds don't just help you feel full, they also help you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. That's because they're packed with tryptophan and magnesium, 2 powerful nutrients your brain uses to make serotonin and melatonin. Serotonin keeps your mood balanced, while melatonin controls your sleep cycle. When your brain has the right tools, your body knows when to wind down and when to wake up, making your nights more restful and your mornings more energized. And here's where it gets even better.
Did you know that chia seeds can significantly improve your sleep quality? These tiny seeds are packed with tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin, and melatonin, which are the key hormones that regulate your sleep cycle. For best results, take a tablespoon of these chia seeds, put it in a glass of water, let it sit out for about 10-15 minutes so they can expand, and they'll form this gel-like consistency.
Unlike sleep pills that leave you groggy, this natural support works with your body's rhythm, helping you get deeper sleep without side effects. If you've ever tried eating chia seeds before bed, comment below with a yes or no and share your favorite way to enjoy them. Sleep is just the start, because chia seeds also protect something even more vital while you rest. Number 3. Strengthens heart health. Chia seeds go to work on your heart while you sleep. They're loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, the kind that help relax blood vessels and lower blood pressure without medication. At the same time, the soluble fiber in chia moves through your system, helping to sweep out bad cholesterol and keep the good kind in balance. This quiet cleanup during rest means your heart doesn't have to work as hard, giving it a much-needed break and setting you up for a stronger, steadier heartbeat in the morning.
Chia seeds are an excellent source of fiber. It's great for your heart health. It reduces cholesterol levels. It helps increase your intestinal health. It takes away constipation. And the fiber actually slows down digestion, allowing your glucose to be leveled off where it's not going to spike.
Chia seeds don't just lower risk. They raise energy by keeping your blood flowing better. That's the kind of support your heart needs to keep going strong, night after night. But while your heart's getting stronger, something even more important is happening deep in your core. Because next, chia seeds begin healing your gut from the inside out. Number 4. Improves digestion and gut health. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber, which becomes gel-like in the stomach and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. This healthy bacteria supports smoother digestion, allowing your system to break down food more efficiently while you sleep. That means less bloating, less discomfort, and a better chance of waking up without that heavy, sluggish feeling. The fiber also helps keep things moving, preventing constipation before it even starts.
You see these tiny chia seeds? They are small but packed with powerful health benefits. Soak a tablespoon in a glass of water overnight or for 10 to 15 minutes when you wake up and drink it first thing in the morning. It forms a gel that supports hydration and digestion. The fiber helps support regular bowel movements and keep things moving smoothly.
As your gut stays active through the night, your body gets the chance to clean up waste and reset your digestion naturally. This is especially helpful if you struggle with irregular bathroom habits or often feel backed up. With your gut taken care of, your body can now focus on balancing blood sugar levels through the night, helping you wake up stable and strong. Number 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. Chia seeds form a thick gel in the stomach that slows down how quickly your body digests food, which means glucose is released into the bloodstream more slowly. This helps avoid those sudden blood sugar spikes that can lead to late-night energy crashes or early morning fogginess. When blood sugar stays steady during sleep, the body gets the chance to fully rest and restore without interruptions caused by dips in energy or hormone swings.
Chia seeds. They are high in fiber and they are very low in digestible carbohydrates. In fact, 11 of the 12 grams of carbs in a 28-gram serving of chia seed fiber has no effect on your blood sugar levels. Fiber can actually lower your blood sugar levels by slowing the rate at which food moves through your gut.
If your mornings usually start with a headache, hunger, or feeling drained before the day even begins, balanced blood sugar can make a big difference. But even with all this balance, one more piece matters overnight. And that's hydration. Thankfully, chia seeds do something amazing there too, helping your body stay hydrated while you sleep, without needing a single glass of water. Number 6. Enhances overnight hydration. Chia seeds are incredible at keeping your body hydrated while you sleep. They absorb water and swell up, forming a gel-like texture. This helps slow-release hydration throughout the night, keeping your cells and tissues properly nourished even when you're not drinking water. While you're asleep, your body is still hard at work, and hydration plays a major role in everything from regulating temperature to helping muscles recover.
Chia seeds provide hydration and antioxidants that can benefit your skin as well, so you may notice subtle improvements in your skin texture and radiance.
Chia's ability to slowly release moisture helps maintain a steady fluid balance, preventing the dehydration that can cause morning sluggishness, dry skin, or that thirsty feeling when you wake up. Hydrated cells also perform better in repairing and rebuilding during sleep, so you wake up feeling more refreshed and energized. But there's another area where chia works its magic overnight, and that's fighting inflammation, a major factor in recovery and long-term health. Let's dive into that next. Number 7. Reduces nighttime inflammation. Chia seeds are packed with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids that work to lower inflammation while you sleep. Inflammation is a major cause of discomfort and sluggish healing, but chia helps fight it, supporting the body's recovery process. The antioxidants in chia target and reduce inflammatory markers, which means less swelling and pain as your body heals itself overnight.
When you soak chia seeds in water, it forms this gel of soluble fiber which can feed your microbes, fight inflammation, and improve the immune system.
When your body's inflammation is under control, it's able to focus on the important tasks of repair and rejuvenation, leading to better overall health. A body with less inflammation is more likely to heal faster and feel more balanced. But while chia works wonders for your body, bones need protection too. Let's take a look at how chia helps there. Number 8. Strengthens bone health. Chia seeds are a powerhouse for bone health, packed with calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, essential minerals that support strong bones and teeth. These nutrients work together to promote better bone density, making your bones less prone to fractures and more resilient over time. All these minerals are critical in maintaining bone health, especially as we age.
They are also a good plant-based source of protein, omega-3s for heart health, and minerals like calcium and magnesium for strong bones.
By consuming chia seeds, you're not only nourishing your body with energy, but you're also providing the building blocks your bones need for repair and growth while you sleep. This is truly the body's natural way of rejuvenating itself overnight. But while chia helps build strong bones, detoxing is just as crucial for overall health. Let's see how chia helps in detoxifying your body while you rest. Number 9. Supports gentle detox and cleansing. Chia seeds are packed with fiber, which helps promote healthy bowel movements, ensuring your digestive system stays clear of toxins. This gentle detox process works overnight, so by morning, your body feels refreshed and ready to take on the day. The fiber in chia seeds absorbs water, creating a gel-like substance that moves through your digestive tract, easing the passage of waste and allowing your body to naturally cleanse itself.
You see these chia seeds? This could do amazing things for your health. You can take the chia seeds, put it in a full glass of water, let it sit there for about 10-15 minutes and drink it right down first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Or you could take these chia seeds, put it in your smoothie, 1 tablespoon. What this will do, it will boost your digestion, it will improve your bowel movement. It's great for your protein intake, your heart, your bones. It will help sustain normal blood sugar levels. Great for your digestion. It will help remove constipation and it will help you lose weight.
A clean system inside leads to a clearer, more focused mind as well, helping you feel better, both physically and mentally. But chia's benefits don't stop here. It also strengthens your immune system, making your body more prepared to defend itself. Let's dive into how chia gives your body a powerful defense boost while you rest. Number 10. Strengthens immunity. Chia seeds are rich in prebiotic fiber and anti-inflammatory nutrients, which work together to balance the gut immune axis overnight. This helps your body fight off illness more effectively by supporting a healthy gut microbiome, which plays a key role in immune function. As you sleep, chia seeds provide essential nutrients that promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, strengthening your immune system from the inside out. The balance created by chia helps your body stay resilient and prepared to handle daily challenges. With a stronger immune system, you're ready to face whatever comes your way. And the best part? Chia offers one more surprising benefit that many don't expect. Number 11. Supports sexual health naturally. Chia seeds are packed with essential fatty acids and minerals, which support hormone balance and overall sexual wellness. Over time, incorporating chia into your routine can help maintain healthy hormone levels, which can positively impact your sexual health. The omega-3 fatty acids and other vital nutrients in chia also contribute to better circulation, ensuring that your body functions optimally. With improved hormone balance, you'll likely notice better energy, mood, and overall well-being. This boost in vitality can improve both physical and emotional connections, strengthening your relationships. And the best part? Chia's final benefit could have a lasting impact on your long-term health, helping your body stay in top shape for years to come. Number 12. Provides powerful antioxidant protection against disease. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, helping to protect your body from potential damage. By neutralizing free radicals, chia plays a key role in lowering the risks associated with chronic diseases and aging. As you sleep, your body is working hard to recover and repair itself. And chia supports this process by providing that extra layer of protection. These antioxidants help safeguard your cells, ensuring you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. With just a small addition to your nightly routine, you can be doing wonders for your health while you rest. Now, let's quickly cover how to use chia seeds correctly before bed for the best results. How to eat chia seeds safely before bed. Safe instructions. To get the most out of chia seeds, mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into 1/2 to 1 cup of water, almond milk, or low-sugar yogurt. Let it soak for at least 15-30 minutes, allowing it to form a gel-like texture. For the best results, consume this mix 1-2 hours before bedtime to ensure optimal absorption. You can also add cinnamon or berries for a little extra flavor and a boost of antioxidants. Just remember, never eat dry chia seeds without soaking them first. They need to be fully hydrated before consumption. This simple process ensures you get the full benefits while keeping things safe and effective. Adding chia seeds to your nighttime routine can be a game changer, unlocking better sleep, a healthier heart, stronger digestion, faster recovery, and deeper healing overnight. It's the small, simple habits that build big results. And the best time to start is tonight. Which benefit are you most excited to see from adding chia seeds before bed? Comment below. And if you want a free nighttime chia healing plan PDF, just type Chia Power below.